Hey, what's up my crypto fans? So Bitcoin is firmly trading now well above 69,000. As we speak, it's 69,200, which is above the old all-time high, and it's firmly staying there. We touched it a few times and we've had retracement backs, but now it seems to be cementing itself there. But this of course is causing some hype in the crypto market. In today's video, we want to look at the other coins. We want to look at things like Shiba Inu. Now Shiba Inu and the last bull run was a meme coin, but this bull run, it is firmly a coin to be challenging the big boys. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you what the analysts are saying, and I'm going to show you where I see Shiba Inu going. So if you want to know all that cool stuff and more, stay tuned and let's go crypto. Boom. So for those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Christian and this is Crypto OG, where I give you all the news, reviews and overviews in a crypto, DeFi, yes, and sometimes NFT space. And of course, anything you see here or choose to ignore is not financial advice, it's just me being nice. So like I say, Bitcoin is absolutely pumping, but what about the kind of lower coins? And everyone was saying Shiba Inu is a meme coin still, and I'm starting to firmly disagree. Now, with that being said, let's jump straight into Shiba Inu. Here you can see it's hashtag 10 on market cap and hashtag 7 on volume. Now, this is absolutely phenomenal. Now, obviously the circulating supply has been verified and the total supply, but let's have a look at how it's been performing. If you have a look at its retracement on Tuesday when the miners dumped the Bitcoin, and it had a quick buy back up and has been going sideways, which to me is absolutely phenomenal. But that's not the main thing that why I think Shiba Inu is going to be super cool token this bull run. And it's because obviously looking at Shiba Inu here, look at this trading pattern. We told you we had the big climb up as most coins did. We had the big dump on Tuesday with the miners of Bitcoin, and it got quickly brought back up and it's now been trading, turning really the 50-day moving average into support. But what is it that I'm super excited about Shiba on? Well, let's have a look at a firm favorite of mine, and everyone who's in crypto worth the salt will agree, Link. Link is an absolute solid coin. Now, look what happened to Link. Link didn't have the super big buy up because it's already had its big pump from when we were buying it below $6. But look at Tuesday's dump and then the buy up and then going sideways. And look at Shiba. The dump, the buy up and going a little bit sideways. So for me, when Shiba Inu is being called a meme coin, when we know if we start looking at the kind of peps and the kind of, you know, the low memes, which I think are Boink and stuff like that, let's have a look at this. So we go into Boink, they're putting in the same patterns. We go into Pepe, Pepe's outperforming that pattern. Now, if we go into Doge, Doge is putting exactly the same, look at this, exactly the same pattern as Shiba Inu. So these main coins are firmly cementing themselves in the market now. So if you was buying, say for instance here and then selling out here on Doge, you'd be getting exactly the same. I can just move it over to show you. You can see that's Doge USDT. It's putting in exactly the same patterns as Shiba Inu. So for me, the main coins are firmly cementing themselves in this market, because here you can see Shib pretty much the same. We've been monitoring Shib now for a long time. So what are the analysts saying? So we go in the news now. Obviously, News BTC is a big advocate, in my opinion, of Shiba Inu. They really love the token. But it's a whale's favorite as well. This is what probably not a lot of people coming new into Shiba Inu will know at the moment. But hopefully if you watch this video, you will. Shiba Inu is a whale's favorite. They love it. They seem to buy a lot of it. And it is, for me, one of the biggest challenges to Doge that's out there. But analysts are saying that Shiba Inu sees 2000% explosion in adoption, which means adoption means everyone's sort of like getting on the platform, on the bandwagon. Now, is Shib heading for a 0.008 all-time high? Now, if we just jump back into the charts to show that, we would be looking at probably a real explosion, because here you see it's like 3 zeros and an 8. Now, if we have a look where it is at the moment, it's 4 zeros and a 3.45. So to get to 3 zeros and an 8, we are looking at some absolute banging gains. I mean, To be honest with you, I think that's probably super ambitious at this moment in time, but the analysts are saying it. Now, I'm just going to give you kind of an idea what that would be. Maybe it could. Maybe it could. We're probably looking at probably around about an 8x. So for me, maybe in the ultra ball run we could see that, but it's way too early to be getting excited about them levels at the moment. But if you go over and read this article, just Google the news SBTC, you'll see that they are super bullish on it, and they say the liquid staking looks to be one of the leading narratives of the bull cycle. Now, this is something else that I like around Shiba Inu. They are trying to diversify the platform. You've also got like the kind of bone token that's associated with it and all the kind of other manners. But what I think will carry Shiba Inu through this is two things. The whales always going to manipulate it, so you're always going to see great volatility in Shiba Inu. But the second is the community like you probably watching this video and a lot of other people are really going to carry this token through. So if it was me and I was looking at main coins turning into kind of mainstream coins, we know Doge is on there because Elon Musk just literally can change the world. But for me, Shiba Inu is absolutely one of them ones up there. Now, I know Pep's got a lot of following because Pep's been putting in some absolute gains, but I think when it comes to proper investing and looking at the market volatility on how you can probably actually trade this. Now, if we go into the daily chart and I'm zoom back in, I'm going to show you the volume. You see all of this purples are ultra volume, and you can see Shiba Inu has had some great volume here over the kind of daily candles. I mean, look at this bad boy. This to me is why these are following firm favorites. From the 26th of February all the way till now, you're probably looking at a 3x, which to me is absolutely amazing. How can you 3 times your money in less than a month? And to me, that Shiba Inu has done that. Now, there's only one other kind of token, which is AIOZ, which I follow, has done pretty much better than that. But for me, in the main coin season, Shiba Inu is putting in some absolute bangers. Now, I just wanted to put this quick video out there for the Shiba Inu army because I know you're loyal to the token. So I did want to dig into it a little bit deeper and show you that this is still putting in some absolute bangers. The ultra volume that this has had towards the end of last month and the beginning of this month is absolutely phenomenal. So it does show to me that this token's super alive, this token's super active, and I think it's super waiting to do some exciting things in the next ultra bull run. But as always, trade smart, trade safe, and don't get wrecked.